Hi, hello world. Once again back to my channel. Once again back to another content. In this content, I'm going to be sharing with you a very vital and crucial topic. The topic name is my English learning journey. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's why I'll be able to see my all content while I'll publish my same content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us and me. And this is best time for let's begin. Don't skip my any kind of portion because my all portion is too much crucial for learning English. So, so this time let's begin. When I first embarked on the journey to master English, I was overwhelmed, frustrated, and frequently doubted my abilities. In this video, I will share the strategies that genuinely transform my learning English and the mistake I made along the way that you should avoid. So please watch my full video. My struggle with English learning a new language is rarely this is called a linear process. This is not a algebra process, and I encountered multiple obstacles at pronunciation challenge, lack of confidence, and the constant fear of making mistake because mistake are proof that you are trying to do new things. So don't fear about making mistake. There were moments when I almost gave up entirely, feeling that fluency was an unattainable goal. But I never give up that time. That time I just kept growing my practice. Like my struggle for for instant, I would rather rehearse sentences in a one to prison when attempting to speak in real life conversation. The method that actually worked, active speaking practice, was too much crucial to about learning this kind of speaking English. You must have speaking daily, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, even 30 minutes. So that time I was practicing too much time. Like I realized that only listening is insufficient for about learning English. I committed to speaking daily, like even if imperfectly, doesn't matter. Shadowing native speaker and recording myself become crucial tools in building fluency. Immersive reading and listening. Instead of rote memorization, I immersed myself in English reading article, watching videos, watching English commentaries, watching English movies, or watching podcast. That was too much helpful for me learning this kind of English speaking and absorbing I, idiomatic expression context like contextual learning accelerated my comprehension dramatically. Mistake as learning through embracing mistake rather than fearing them was transformative. Is it will become a stepping stone, like allowing me to internalize correct use naturally. Consistency over perfection. I established daily habit, even 30 to 60 minutes of focused learning that compound over month. Progress is rarely visible like 30 days, but consistency ensures long-term result. Daily habit that boost my confidence, like keeping a learning journal, like practicing many conversation with friends, revisiting challenging like topics regularly were all part from my routine. This is more consistent action made a monumental difference. Common mistake to avoid: many learners fell into the trap, chasing quick fix or railing solely on apps. Real fluency demand deliberate practice, passion, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Fluency is not a talent. This is called a skill cultivating over time. If I could transform my English from hesitant to confident, so can you. Start small, embrace imperfection, and persist. To summarize, the pillar of the success were speaking daily, immersive learning, leveraging mistake, and consistent habit. By adapting this, these strategies, your English learning can be becoming significantly more effective and far less frustrating. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content because time is too short. Next time I'm kind with you and the content of this time. Let's bye.